Hi everyone, my name is Jasmine and today we are going to be talking about the top 5 digital marketing institutes in Bangalore. So the first institute in my list is IIM Skills. IIM Skills was founded by Mr. Vaibhav Kakkar in 2015 and it is one of the best institutes for digital marketing course in Bangalore. Why? Because they have one of the best trainers in the digital marketing field, and also they have 100% placement assistance and even post placement assistance, so they will be guiding you and helping you throughout the process and ensure that you will have a job at the end of the course. They also offer a 2 months internship, so that if you don't have any experience in the industry, you can get experience from their own institute with a stipend of 6,000 rupees. Yes, you heard it right. And one of the best things about this institute that I love personally is that a lot of institutes don't offer this, but they offer a full refund if you don't like the course. You can simply email them by saying in detail whatever you did not like about the session, and they will give you a full refund. How amazing is that? The next institute that I'll be talking about is Digital Academy 360. It is also one of the best institutes in Bangalore. It was founded by Mr. Yogesh Chandrasekhar in 2015. So they offer 3 digital marketing courses at 3 different levels. The first one is at the master's level, the second one is at the PG level, and the third one is at the diploma level. The average duration of doing this course from Digital Academy 360 is about 3 to 9 months, and also they have a good amount of case studies in every single one of their digital marketing course, which represents how much importance they give to practical knowledge and practical skills, which is very important in the digital marketing field. You get about 10 to 25 certificates in this course, and the average package with the placement assistance of 93% record is about 3 to 6 lakhs per annum. The fees of these courses are from about 57,000 to 2,95,000, which is a little bit expensive. But if you are somebody who can pay that much for a digital marketing course, then I should suggest you to definitely go for it. But if you are somebody who's looking for a more affordable option, then keep watching this video because I will give you some affordable options as well. So the next institute in my list is the Learn Digital Academy. It is also one of the best institutes for digital marketing courses in Bangalore and was founded by Mr. Nikhil Junjulwala in 2017. Now, the best part about this institute and this course that I feel is that they keep on constantly improving their curriculum according to the changes in the fast-paced world of digital marketing. So they offer an advanced digital marketing course, the fees of which is around 30,000, and the duration is about 2 to 3 months. In this course, you also get 100% placement support, a 6-month student support, and 12 certifications. So I feel this is a very good quality course, a very good affordable course. So if you're somebody who's looking for good quality as well as affordability, then you can definitely go for this course in this institute. So the next institute that I'll be talking about is Onlynism. They have one of the best trainers in their training department, giving the best quality education in the digital marketing field in Bangalore. The digital marketing course of this institute takes about 1.5 months to complete, and the fees is also pretty affordable. It is around 25,000. I am not sure if they have placement assistance or internships like other institutes, but they do have doubt sessions and practice classes. So if anyone wants to complete the digital marketing course in a short period of time with affordability, then I think this institute is the best for you. So the last but not the least institute that I'll be talking about is Digital Quora. It is one of the foremost institutes that focus more on practical knowledge and practical skills rather than theoretical knowledge, which in my opinion is the best. And they offer an advanced digital marketing course. Apart from that, they also offer small specialized courses like SEO marketing, etc. The duration of this course is about 2.5 to 3 months, and the fees is also around about 20,000 to 25,000 approximately, which is pretty affordable. They also have weekday as well as weekend batches and 100% placement assistance. So they are a very good institute for good practical skills, good affordability, short duration of time. So I think it's a all-in-one package for you. So I think you can definitely go for this course if you're somebody who's looking for a short duration with affordability, with quality. Digital Quora has it all. So that's it for today's video. I will see you in the next video with some more information. But if you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Till then, bye-bye.